This is the absolute ampoule. You see over here, it's about this much left, and I wanted to show you guys how this dropper works. Dropper and the cap also at the same time. So when you close it, the dropper is empty, but once you try to open it, it pops up, and also you notice it's filling up. The dropper is filling up. Let me show you again. It's going down and I close it tight. You see that? So I'm gonna open it again. It's sucking it up in the pipe of the dropper, and the top is popping up. So when I open it, it's in the dropper already filled up, and I push it to use it on the face. It drops off. So it's empty now, and I put it on and close it. This top goes flat and it closes up. The dropper is empty, and when I open it, take a look at here, pay attention to there. When I open it slowly, it's sucking it up, and this is popping up. And I'm closing again, it goes down, open, it's filling up the pipe, close, it's emptying the pipe. So when you use it, you don't have to open it up again and push it again, because when you push it after you open it, it's already inside the pipe of the dropper. So you drop it by pressing the top, you drop it on your face, and it's empty. And when you close it like that, it closes up, and once you open, it's gonna suck up the ampoule inside the pipe of the dropper. You will see it's filling up the pipe, and this pops up, and I try to close it again. It drops, the ampoule goes down and open, close, open, close. So I was just waiting until this goes lower so I can show you how the dropper works. So again, you open it, it fills up the pipe, and you open it, the entire dropper, and pretend this you're putting on your face, and drop it on your face, and then you put it back again, lock it, and once you open it, it's gonna fill up the pipe. Closing it, filling up, closing, filling up. Okay, so have fun using it. Thank you. And again, if I show it to you, what it looks like, how it looks like, it looks like just clear. Can show it, you know. It's just clear like that, and so silky and soft. And it smells great also. Put it on my neck. See it? Observed, so quick. So here it is again. Atomy Absolute Ampoule. Thank you.